Top 15 Selenium-based project ideas. 1. Web scraping tool. Develop a web scraping tool using Selenium to extract data from websites automatically, allowing users to specify the target elements and export the data to various formats. 2. Automated testing framework. Build an automated testing framework using Selenium to conduct functional and regression testing of web applications, providing detailed reports on test results and code coverage. 3. E-commerce price monitoring system. Create a price monitoring system for e-commerce websites using Selenium, which regularly checks product prices and sends notifications to users when there are changes. 4. Job application automation. Develop a Selenium-based system to automate the job application process, where users can input their resume and preferences, and the system automatically applies to relevant job openings on job portals. 5. Social media automation tool. Build a social media automation tool using Selenium to perform tasks such as posting updates, liking posts, following users, and sending messages across different social media platforms. 6. Web Application Performance Monitor. Design a performance monitoring tool using Selenium to measure the load times and responsiveness of web applications under different conditions, helping developers optimize performance. 7. Automated Form Filler. Create a tool that automatically fills out online forms using Selenium, saving users time and effort when submitting information for registrations, surveys, or applications. 8. Cross-browser compatibility. Tester. Develop a cross-browser compatibility testing tool using Selenium to ensure that web applications render correctly and function properly across different web browsers and versions. 9. Automated data entry system. Build a system that automates data entry tasks using Selenium, allowing users to define input templates and automate repetitive data entry processes on web forms or databases. 10. Content Management System, CMS. Tester. Design a testing tool specifically for content management systems, CMS, using Selenium, which verifies the functionality and performance of CMS features such as publishing, editing, and managing content. 11. Web Application Security Scanner. Create a security scanning tool using Selenium to identify common vulnerabilities in web applications, such as cross-site scripting, XSS, and SQL injection, by simulating attack scenarios. 12. Flight Ticket Price Tracker. Develop a tool that tracks flight ticket prices on airline websites using Selenium, allowing users to set price alerts and receive notifications when ticket prices drop or meet specified criteria. 13. Ebook Downloading. Build a Selenium-based tool to automate the process of downloading ebooks from online libraries or repositories, enabling users to search for, select, and download ebooks automatically. 14. Hotel Room Availability. Checker. Create a tool that checks hotel room availability and prices on booking websites using Selenium, allowing users to search for accommodations based on their preferences and budget. 15. Online Course Enrollment Assistant. Develop an assistant tool using Selenium to automate the process of enrolling in online courses, including searching for courses, adding them to the cart, and completing the enrollment process on e-learning platforms.